Do you want to make one complete project? Here we go. We will make handwritten digit recognition from scratch. So hello friends, I am Ishwar Gautam. I have already made this project and uploaded in my channel, but I want to update this project. So I am going to make this again, and the previous video of this project will be removed soon. Now without any delay, let's get started. This is the complete code. I will upload video on this part by part from tomorrow. Each day one part will get released. Now coming back to this demo, I have to open pen first because I want my model to take image from the pen and predict that image. This is the pen. I have to make my background as black. Let me choose this brush. If you have oil brush in your system, it will be very easy to draw digit and to predict with high accuracy. You can try with other brush or pen, but I am getting pretty good accuracy with this oil brush to collect and to predict digits. Let me minimize this and let me draw one digit. Suppose 0. One thing guys, this is only prediction. It's okay if your some image get wrongly predicted. This is what prediction means, right? But our main aim is to make model to predict most of the inputs or images. Now let me execute this cell. Great. The prediction is 0, which is correct. Now let me draw 1. Great. Let me draw 2 this time. It is predicting 1, which is false, but that's okay. If I draw 2 like this, great. Now it predicts 2 correctly. Now let me draw 8. You can clearly see our model is pretty good. If I draw 6 here, let's see if it predicts correctly or not. Great. Prediction is 6. This is awesome, right? Let me draw final image, suppose 5. Great. It is working pretty well. This is the project that I took so much time to make it possible, but I want to share this project to you. So if you want to make this project, do like this video, subscribe my channel IG Tech Team. I will meet you soon. Stay safe and keep learning.